recording, I guess.
Yeah.
All right,
Also, my friend is gonna be there, bro. I'm gonna be so embarrassing.
all right. So the slash
Mm.
build remote to show it is
We're
not
coming
working.
out.
I'm going to slash pull. I'm pulling. Oh,
Wait. I'm
Francois.
doing it now. I'm doing it now. What are you
Oh,
doing?
you're here. All right, you're here. All right, yeah. So yeah, NPC has not moved. We've pulled. It has not moved.
Wait, let me pull him. You're shadow banned, buddy.
Oh yeah, try pulling yourself.
I hope you're not in the house while I'm uploading.
Yeah, yeah. Wait a minute. I'm gonna go out the house. I'm gonna close it. Try slash pull. But yeah,
Okay,
I
well,
don't think it's me.
I'm
Like
guessing
you've pulled.
you were in the house. Wait. Francois, stop
Yeah,
moving.
yeah. I'm not moving. Go ahead.
Shit is built successfully, man.
All right. So I moved the NPC by like 3 by 3 before, so it's still in that corner. Nope. Press V.
Can we start a game if I step on it and you can step
It's not
on it?
gonna work.
If
I
I
mean,
step.
we can start a game,
Okay.
and now if I press V, wizard players in the house are none. So it reverted to one commit where it would add to the wizard player registrator, but not the house.
You know what I think? You know what I
So
think?
like
I think
you
that
can't throw a
I
predator
think if
now.
Francois. You know what I think? I remember the commit that I made that like kind of saved that me and you can shoot at each other.
Yeah, it reverted back to that, or reverted to one commit that was made after that, where there was one
Okay,
push
okay,
that broke, and it is stuck
okay,
on that
okay,
push.
okay. That's besides the point.
Yeah, yeah, right.
That
Yeah,
is now established. Like
yeah,
we've
right,
made
right.
that.
Yeah, yeah, good.
That is I understand. Rahim understands. We're all cooked, right?
Yeah, right.
But what I'm trying to say is, what is enough for a final demo right now? I think if it's either between this or that one commit that said, "Oh, saving it just in case" or whatever, I think we can revert back to that
We're not
one, or not.
that's
Maybe.
not gonna work. That's not gonna work because the way to revert, like I'm not gonna go into detail on Git, but that's not gonna work. The way to revert would be to like copy our current thing into like a different branch, and then fucking nuke the master branch, which is really dangerous. So we don't want to do that. And then we would push the
Mm.
nuke master branch back to then, and that would be a revert. But it's like there's no back in time. It's still in the future. It still need to properly pull, and it's not pulling. So even if we revert to a previous one, I'm pretty sure it will not work. And we have to go through the whole Git thing of having to like nuke master, and later on we'll have to unnuke master, and any errors there we can lose like a lot of stuff, and there's gonna be a bunch of like let's not do that. And even then we would need to like find the exact commit. Like it would still take hours of trying, and we
Oh
would
my
shoot ourselves in the foot, and then it would take hours to resolve from there. So it can't. So like just now to show that it doesn't work, we'll come a house and NPC. This is the NPC right
Okay, I
there.
have a question. What about the class diagrams?
By the way, do you know we're recording, right? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, we're recording right now. Yeah. So, which is why I speak. I'm going to, move
uh,
NPC
well,
to show that we're working.
ha-
It's fine. Build remote. Yeah. So it's not me that have been shadow banned. It's not our team. Either our team can't do it, which case we're fucked, or the whole like nobody cares.
okay, Francois. I think maybe in the
No,
recording you don't
well,
say that
yeah,
we're
but
gonna be
like, look, it's
house.
4 a.m. now. Like, I'm sorry, it's just how it is. Like, we spent like the last 4 hours trying to do stuff, and the major problem was the server is like semi-crashed. So yeah, I moved that NPC. Like, this is 11:11, and like that should be like 17:17 or something. So it's not changing. Now we're gonna build normal, and you're gonna see the NPC is gonna move. And this. Oh yeah, I can't do that if I'm not up there. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, see, 17:17. This NPC is there. This NPC is just to see how we do him, but it, to be removed later. Or I guess it's just a landmark. All right, gonna become a blue player. You become a blue wizard. Enter.
So move.
press V, we're in local now. So that's why it works, because it's that current version. So we have a bunch of debug message that I know was broken there because I didn't see this message. So the red in the registration, the red is this, the blue is this, so me, local user, the wizard. Are you a wizard? Yes, I am. Is the game started? The game's not started. This is my hash. Because Ryan's hash would not work, but again, I think that's just a server issue and not like a underscore not being hashable in a string or something weird like that. I'm now a red wizard. I play this. The players already see this was blue wizard, red wizard, then we reserve. We're this thing there. I can now start a win player game with Y. Yes, I'm now here, so can throw projectile, right? So we showed like hitbox detection, right? Hitbox detection, you see that there, but we don't take damage. So now normally if there's only if one team is empty, in which case it is, when it detects end of game, it would know which one it is. And there's another more code that was added. But now I'm gonna press C to detect end of game, and you see it detect end of game. So now if I press V, is the game started? The game is false. So now I can join the other game. So what's the message that said who won? The red wizard has won the game because I was a blue. So I'm gonna become a red. Click here. Then I'm gonna do V. So you see I'm a wizard. I'm in there. Where wizard is one? Yes, the game has not started. Right. Y. No. Y. Game here. I'm a red wizard, right? And then C. What the fuck? Alright, maybe the order is wrong. Alright. Why now? So the red wizard has been removed from this. I become a red one. And now yes, so red is inside. Y to start the game. Then V to check. I'm still here. This has been removed from the registration. Now I press C. Red wizard has won the game. What? Yeah, yeah. If I become a red wizard, the team that I become wins. So yes. Y. Oh, yeah, no, I have to. It's in focus now. C and then blue wizard won the game. So you see red. If I'm red, and now V. It has been cleared. So yes, it works for that. There's still the projectile. There's the hitbox. There's the cover damage. We can move this later on. But yeah, like move it here or something. Yeah, the game detection works. Like the hitbox, we can't really do this thing for. I mean, you know what? Like I could is like P use. P is not use. All right. So we're just gonna make a test for that. Why if we start one player game? At this point, that's the only thing we can do. Player wizard combat, and that'll be really weird. But um, self dot get wizard player of player, right? So now we have this thing there. In fact, I'm just gonna like I'm gonna like symbol rename it after that. I want to do current room. No, self dot get wizard player of player, and I'm gonna change his team. Uh, Then where was our team? We still have it. All right. So we shouldn't have that. And yes, maybe this will work. And then all right, so I'm gonna throw a fireball. I'm gonna switch team, and then I'm gonna see if I can't get myself to that. Become a red wizard. White to start the game. Left to move. Left. One to have a fireball. Space to throw it. P to change team. What is happening here? Oh yeah, yeah, I'm taking damage. I'm taking damage. Local just took damage, right? Yeah. Yeah. So you see, all right, now there's a bug there, but hey, like, we got yes, no, so I should not do it this way. I should do it full SH. We can indeed take damage if we're not a team. So become this. Click here. Y to start, and then one thing space P. And you see, I'm supposed to take damage. So see, I'm taking damage now, and what happens when I die? Alright, so there's something weird that's happening, but that's normal, that's fine. When I die, so let's do that. Take damage, has died, self rule, self, undo. In, we recommend 244 GG, self the command dot, wait, what? Oh yeah, because you have this type there of execute command, and you need this to be passed a spine human player, and then command dot. We don't even have the type of self that executed command. That's not how you do. Let's do executed command. So then comment dot take out to, and then when is this one being called? Yeah,
You
this
still
should work. If we remove with even if we remove with
also,
a yeah what?
are you still recording?
Oh yeah, I am. I'm just trying to see if the fix work.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm here if you need it.
Yeah, yeah, thanks. Because that's like your part. I made some change like to have the plate better, but didn't do the whole thing. I mean that's pretty much your ID, so like so it worked great. So yeah, my refactor was not perfect. All right, so why start the game? One space change team. And hey, Ryan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm
Yeah, all
here.
right. So if I'm
So
hit
it's working.
multiple time by the same fireball, will I get like the initial like damage multiple time?
Yes, it's supposed to.
All right.
But
So
the thing
HP,
is,
I'm
like
supposed to
once
die
it,
now, and oh, all right. So run self dot. Yeah, so like duration is weird now, but because it's not burning anymore. HP then to 0.
yes, because the
Okay.
players died now, technically.
Yeah. All right. I guess I have to do
Uh,
Y. No, like V. His game started true. Red wizard, right? Um. All right. And then I guess effect.
one thing we can look at again is like the durations and the effects, like the durations of each effect.
Yeah, we could do that too, but which file has the message with print like HP from X to Y? Like, where is that one in? Is it in take damage?
Uh, take damage and wizard player.
Yeah.
No, inside wizard player
Yeah,
class.
yeah, yeah. Here, yeah, this one.
Uh,
Yeah, took damage, HP, old HP. Yeah, right. This is good. Self that has died, and old HP is I like and old HP is bigger than 0. I don't think it's needed because self that has died. I should just do it then. Uh, yeah, has died. Right. So we're gonna try this one now. But yeah, like normally, if you get hit by a wizard like one fireball and you get like a bleed dog from Elden Ring where you get like the 20 instant damage every time, that would be
yes,
bad. Um, but still, I don't remember seeing it.
I
So
think I only
space
put it to one
V.
initial damage. I'm not sure.
Right. So I'm already burning. Oh, you put the initial damage would be just one.
I think so. I think so. I'll have to relook at the code. Let me just.
Yeah, yeah, all right. Yeah, you can look at that. That's a good idea, I guess. So wait, how is the duration never ending? Luckily, has been
Wait.
defeated. He's not burning anymore. Luckily, has been. All right.
I put the duration to 5, and yeah.
All right. I guess. Yeah, and remove the blue wizard. Um. And then, right. Yeah, that's the thing with that is that it fucks GD. Like, I mean, wait a minute. GG commanded undo. Like, then dot buff dot OSP. Where's the go to? Is that cool? Alright, it does be that buff. Yeah, I don't have. It doesn't have implementation. This is sad. Yeah, because then I have to like find the correct undo. And I guess like yeah, this print undo command called and create command call. All right. We're gonna test now. So P started. No, was it? Yeah, Y started play with me in it, right? One left space, and then P so I can take damage. And like the thing is the duration is not supposed to be like 20, right, for fire, because otherwise like you're supposed to like get one shot or something. Maybe the duration is not I should go out of map at some
Like
point.
I even can I talk? Like I
Yeah,
even
go
went
ahead, go ahead.
back in the code, and the initial damage is supposed to be 8, so I don't know why it's only removing 1 HP.
Yeah.
That should be
You might not have called like that function
yeah. I mean
when the hitbox
that's
happen.
that should be something in take damage then, no?
No, it's because the effect there's three parts. There's the initial, there's the dot, and then the final. When you
Yes.
call
Yeah.
the when you add it to the effect manager, you also need to call the initial on it. So you can call the initial in effect manager add the function, or you can call the initial before the in effect manager add function. One of those two places, but you might have not called this, so we don't have the tag. So processor undo called, but we don't have um yeah. So processor undo called was the farthest it got. So v G undo called. So this one um uh, um yeah uh like calling command dot undo. No, we don't need to yeah, I guess that like and maybe this one. Yeah, we'll see then. But yeah, I have to like self damage myself. This is so dumb, and this also may cause problem because you're not supposed to be able to change team. I guess. Oh, I'm so tired, man. One left space. Wait, I need to like. All right, yeah, and then P change team. So my HP should go down now, and I should die. Okay. This is the first one. So processor undo called. Oh yeah, I know why it is. Um, no, not this. Because we can't equal, because state change. Like, it would have indeed worked if we added a wizard for a command, but we added a player. I don't remember. Yeah. Okay. And now V. No, V. Not V. C. No, it's Y. Okay. V. Yeah. Right. What was it again? Was Y. Yes. All right. The game has started. I can now throw a fireball. Change thing. Let's take damage. Alright, now I'm gonna die and undo command called. So now it's gonna go command that undo. With player again. Okay. What about the state of the game now? True. This thing there. Right. Yeah. Commanded undo. Okay. I mean, I'm just gonna like. Like, where is it? Create. Yeah, this one, right? So we have undo there. Undo command called, right? Inside the good one, if this one ends to completion, we will be fine. And now, so I remember why I'm just gonna create a session. It's gonna be debug and in wizard in undo wiz player. All right. Go to the no debug session. Yes, right. With player equal current room. Do I get with player? Ah, yes. Wrong order of operation. Yes, no, this. Alright, man, we're so close. So close. Alright. Undo. This one goes to the end, right? Then there might be some other weird thing where, but who cares? We'll just try this and we'll go to the next order until we find another that works. Class, click with the mouse. Y space P. Right. Just die. And please just say like other team has won. Like, right, so yes! Yes!
Ooh.
Fuck yeah, it worked! Fuck yeah, and the game started, false, there's no wizard player anywhere. Like, it fucking worked. Blue Wizard has won the game. Yeah, alright. So now, I guess in Vim projectile, what we have to do is, I guess, effect 2, fire.
But now in effect manager, we
Wait,
should yes. So, not here in
this is
effect
not
manager.
called right, yeah. So the
Yes, it's not. I
projectile,
don't think I called it in effect manager.
right. So, I guess we could add it to the projectile itself. Or no,
Really?
we should do it in effect manager because the effect manager
Yes,
can do this thing.
exactly.
So then add effect to player, this thing.
Yes, it's in here. Yeah.
Right. And what we should do, I guess, is effect. Like we're just gonna do this thing there. We're gonna remove this word. We do not need to have this. We don't need to have the type here, and we don't need to do this. We only need this. Then we can do effect manager dot get instance dot apply initial effect to player.
No, it's
Like this. Or
no, because it's from the effect class.
ah, yes.
It's from the effect
Big brain,
class. Yeah.
right. Because we're already in effect manager. Right.
Yes, exactly.
Then some weird thing caused linting error. So we're gonna undo that. And we're just like effect dot apply initial effect on player. Right. And now what we can do is we can check if the duration is like
We just check if the duration is like
if it has at least
below.
like effect the duration, right? And then like current dir equals to self effect on duration. And what is this? This is effect. And then like let's just say we give you like 4 frame. So if I just say like I invulnerability frame like 5, and then if current dir plus frames no yes plus is smaller equal to effect init dir minus invulnerability frames. Then we apply the initial effect. So yeah, that should be good now. And take 8 damage. Plays on fire, it takes 8 damage, right? Alright. Y, Y. 1 last B to apply initial damage. And I'm gonna go here. And my HP should have like gone down a lot. Clear hitbox radius. Why am I being added to the list all the time? Oh yeah, I forgot to to change team. Yeah, so you see, we already took the 9 damage. So yeah, this is pretty strong. But the thing is that it never ends though. Cause like, what's the duration of fire? Oh yeah, I died and look, I was moved out. And then I got moved out. It works. It works. All right. Effect. Right. What's
So it
fire?
takes the 8 damage?
Yeah, it takes 8 damage at the start.
But look at the duration. The duration is like 5 seconds.
Right. It's not
I think
supposed to
I
do
should
that
reduce it.
much.
Just reduce it.
No, but it's not that.
Mm.
It's because it's not being lowered.
Mm.
Like somehow when you apply the effect, like you're not lowering the effect duration. Like I don't know exactly how you did it here. Apply effect for each player.
So yeah, for each tick, so like when so you get the effect and then you apply the initial you apply the effect on the player. So that's the method that works per tick. So like let's say for ice, like the person takes 3 damage, then they'll take 3 damage over time.
Wait, what did you say?
Okay, no, never mind, no, it's fine.
I don't know where you do if lightning. Oh yeah, so combination gives more
Yes.
damage, right? Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. So yeah, where's do you do new duration equal duration minus 1? For effect duration in FX, effect that apply effect on player, right? Duration minus 1, duration is more equal to 0. Else, I mean, I would do I would do like this thing here, right? And then if new duration. Effect. Right, yeah, this makes sense. Would this would not break anything, right?
So how does that change anything?
Just an order, so it's more in fact, like we would just do
Okay.
in effects, right? So I don't know. But what we can do though is we can
Hint.
uh Yes. And we're gonna see now if after the, because there's a 5 duration for, or no, I'm gonna go see because when we see duration equals, when we see duration equals 5, what about the item? No, inventory. Because maybe like maybe I was a dumbass and I put like a duration that was way too high. So fire effect, uh, effect get effect fire spell. So what about the effect factory? We just, right, so we just default constructed all of them, right? So, oh yeah, no, we are hard right, yeah, indeed, we are red duration equal 5, yeah. So it's all good. B Y click Y start the game. One left space P get hit, and then extra 4. You see the duration is not going down. Because it says wizard is alive adding to it list multiple time.
Mm.
It looks like the, I mean, here's what we can do. Maybe your collision detection is just like too strong. Because I think that's what it is, because here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like Y, I'm gonna start it. What the fuck?
Yeah, so basically, like it adds it to the list of hit players every
Right.
time.
So I'm gonna create one. And I
Yeah.
think, all right, it looks like there's some error if we do it, and I think it's because like I'm still in the box. So, oh yeah, we should early return, I think, if we're but yeah, so I'm gonna do this Y, no, I have to click Y. I'm gonna go there and I'm going to create a fireball, no, create a fireball. I'm gonna switch team and I'm gonna move as far as I can. Ah, fuck, I did. Alright, V. Is it C? No, Y. Fuck. Alright, we have to restart. No, not this. I don't want to. Alright, we'll get there. We'll get there. Wait, wizard. Y to start the game. I have to. Y to start the game. So I create one. I change team, and then I like immediately like go out of range. And am I being added to it list? The box wizard is alive, adding to it list. So yeah, like you're always adding to it list. So the projectile detection is just too powerful. Adding to it list. So where is this inside? Collides with collision detected between.
But by the way, just go into wizard player. I want to show you something.
Go into what?
Wizard player.
Yeah.
So go down. There's a get radius or get hitbox radius down. It said I set the radius to 20, which maybe that's where the issue is. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that is it. Right, yeah.
Just see.
Yeah, that like you need to be like some super fat cow, land whale, elephant. 20. That's like half the map. Literally a living Yumama joke. Alright. Space, get
Oh
hit,
my goodness.
P, get hit, and then wizard is alive, adding to hit list. Does it say that? No, alright. So there's an error there, but the duration went to 0.
Okay.
And so now we have to debug that error. So set that run, set the game tick, run effect manager, this thing that run, and then effect manager duration equals to self dot of effect. Ah, yes. So I think it's something like poof, effect manager, right? Duration equal. Right. So it's this one for player in players, and this is get wizard players. And you don't delete the key, by the way. Remove expired. No, we
I
don't
mean, at
remove.
the
We don't
end,
delete keys
I mean, when
because
the
we
run is
initialized
finished.
it at every with all the players and all the thing with duration 0. If the
Okay.
duration is 0, you just don't have it.
Okay.
Down is effect on player. Is that gonna fuck up that? Yeah. So this works. All right. Okay. Um. Alright, so yeah, I got hair. And yeah, my HP is not like don't too fast. And yeah, so now I still have like V. I'm here. And so we don't print like wizard player stuff, but I'm still alive. So if I go and like throw another, let's go. I say I throw a nice ball, and I get hit by it. All right, that's a good start. I died the ice effect. Now we're gonna try to see if the because we need to also like rebind the the WSD key. So I need to add a key map
Mm,
that, but that's not important. So we'll just assume that players don't cheat for now, because you can get out of the ice ball effect if you're
yes.
All right, so I started it. I'm gonna throw an ice projectile, change team, get hit by it. So I'm supposed to. Holy shit! It worked. It
Oh,
wasn't for
disabled it.
long, but look,
The
then
toggle
P.
worked.
I join it, and then you see, like so. I can only move half speed, so it
Oh,
works.
it worked.
um. All right.
Yes.
We can go there and like do the ice, the effect, and like ice.
Yes.
Ice effect, right? Like take damage. Like we could say like nothing, right? So like for now,
Yeah.
so we can like
Yeah.
do a longer test where I just don't die like a chump. So then Y and then 2 space get hit by it, and then you see I'm moving half speed, and now the ice effect
Damn.
is on.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's good. That's good.
All right.
Oh, that's tough.
I guess we're gonna try now the like lightning effect.
Yeah. Let's try it.
And
So you
we're not gonna
can't use
do
item.
like all the combos, but we can still do so 3
Yeah.
hit with that, and then change team. And now if I try to use item, I can't. You cannot use item due to being electrocuted. Holy fuck, it works! And eventually, like, I die. Yeah.
Yes,
Like,
sir.
what about like, yeah,
Yes,
right.
sir.
So like, yeah, this thing, and then I get hit by it. Like, I will eventually die.
But
This has
use
just like
the do the
instant
water.
damage, right? Yeah. So
Do the combo. Do the
so
combo.
yeah, I took like instant damage from that, from like HP to 2 to 0, right? Because that was like the initial hit.
Yes.
Where's the initial hit, right? So there would be like track projectiles. Because I don't think lightning doesn't have a DPS, right? Or does it have DPS?
What do you mean DPS?
Like damage over time.
I don't think. I don't know. Go check.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check.
Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Yes, it takes 2 damage over time.
All right, yeah, yeah. So the initial effect does 4 damage, right? Players not executed, right? But yeah, so we do have this thing. Wait. Where's the? Oh yeah, no. It's on. No, the initial effect is just the damage. We don't need to like do the freezing part. Yes. And I guess like the it's the effect manager, I guess, that does the you can't.
Yes.
Oh no, you don't need to add a special field or anything because it just checks the duration. So yeah, we don't need that. It checks the duration to see if you can't do that. And now you have like we don't really have a way to like test the combination of like ice and fire, where if you get or ice and or fire and water, like water and lightning and stuff like that. But yeah,
I
we have
mean,
we
you
have some.
can if you put both of them.
But I would need to
Like,
like cast both of them on myself, and I don't think I think we die slightly too fast.
oh, okay, okay.
But yeah, because like this, when you think about it, like this does 8 damage over time plus 4 initial. So this does 12 damage. We have only like 20 HP, so you get hit twice and you're dead. I guess we could like change wizard player.
Yeah, the HP.
Yeah, we could like make it
Make it
100.
like, or make it 30 just for when we explain it.
Yeah, I guess so. All right, yeah. So this
Because
way
if
it
we're
doesn't
doing the
take too long
demo,
to
we
die.
don't. Yeah.
All right, that's good. But yeah, like shit works. So like
Oh,
if
nice.
the server wasn't like really garbage, we could have like the projectile. I guess like we could have like different type of projectile hitbox, and we could have like
Yeah.
a map of effect to projectile hitbox, I guess. And
Yes.
that would be an example of something we could do.
But also like, can't we just run it? Like, can we just run it with 2 players? Like, do you have to go on remote? Like, do you have to
We
go on
can't run
local?
it with 2 players on local. Like what we would have to do would be to like have an NPC where we can like damage, but that would mean
Wait,
like because this imports
look.
from human player and it assumes like all the human player class, so we would need to like maybe
Uh,
redo stuff for for NPC that human player doesn't have.
okay, I have a question. Local is the one the teacher has, right? It's for the one teacher gave.
Local is the it runs on my machine only. So like
Okay.
my machine is the server, but the server can only have 1 player, so we can't even have like
Oh,
that's what local is. Remote is
oh,
away, so it's on the server on the prof server that
yeah.
is buggy where we can't move. Yeah, this is the like some people will call it an anti-pattern, but for now, like unless we do a major rewrite, ice can move needs to be a
But
toggleable effect because normally if this was a not integer based, we would just do speed equals like times equal half if frozen, but we can't do it, so we
but
have to toggle this
look
on.
down though. Look down. There's the toggle effect, like the toggle
Right?
method.
Yeah, I know, no, but I mean like the fact that we have a like a field there, which is good
Uh,
enough for now. Like I don't really really have time to like change this.
but
Like, and if
at the
we
same time, like we'll make those little changes when it's time to actually submit it.
Yeah, if we do, but
Mm.
I would rather we add like all the visual stuff because it's
Um,
not so hard now. Now we got like the fireball. Like it would not be so hard for me to like add the like the moment you become a wizard, you instantly have a hat. So I got work
yeah.
on that like a couple hours ago. So in resource,
But,
I have like hats. So they're not perfect, but you can see like this hat there, and I would like
oh,
make
that's
it above
cool.
the player. And this one I have to like remove the background. So the background is not completely removed because all Linux image editing software is absolute mega ultra garbage. But so I have to go on Windows and like do all of these. But yeah, I would add this and I would add the arrow for direction. So like encoder, right, and then like touch track me.
Mm. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my goodness.
It all works on local. Fix your server.
No, chill.
All right. Git commit dash amend. Hopefully, server works well tomorrow.
Also, just to be sure, like try to pull it right now. Try to pull the server.
Like, oh yeah, mud.
Just see.
Yeah, there's nothing to do. And yeah, we're in the Discord, the correct one. Correct origin. All right, so I've pushed that. It's fucking like 4. I'm gonna stop recording now. And the image is like weird because it's all. I don't know why, but it is color inverted. I'm not gonna think about it. This is Linux. All right, good night.